Sunlight bathes the living room as Mirha, eyes gleaming with mischief, leans in to share a secret. Muhammad Hussein's innocent laughter fills the air as Mirha whispers, "Let's play a prank on Mom and Dad." With grand gestures, Mirha unveils her prank, describing their invisible whoopee cushion. She tiptoes towards the toy box, her small hands reaching for the imaginary cushion. Hussein, barely able to contain his joy, trails closely behind as Mirha creeps towards the sofa. In the living room's playful quiet, Mirha tiptoes with a secret. She glances towards the curtains, where Hussein is hiding. Hussein's eyes are wide, eagerly awaiting the prank. "This will be so funny," Mirha whispers, unable to contain her excitement. A mischievous grin spreads across Mira's face as the anticipation builds. Mirha signals Hussein to stay quiet as they wait for their first victim. In the living room, Mother enters, unaware of the playful chaos about to unfold. She settles onto the sofa when suddenly a mischievous PFFT shatters the calm. Startled and confused, Mom scans the room, searching for the source of the sound. Mirha and Hussein erupt from behind the curtains, their laughter revealing the prank.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.